Hello, this is me, Kiki. Today I am going to fix this iPhone 5. It's someone disassembled it like this, and everything came out, and everything was completely destroyed. Wait, I'll bring the chair. Where can I find the chair? Here's the chair. I can't find the chair.
What chair is in the red room? Red room. No, not red room, the last room. The sunbed room. Shanani Panam, so busy.
No, stop.
Once you finish, you let me know so we could go, okay?
Yeah. No. No.
You need to go bring meat.
What did this happen? I just had to go and use the bathroom. First, I'll put this right here. Then I'm going to go and use the bathroom. But where did this happen? I don't know. Who did this? I don't know. Maybe I just found a copy. Maybe it goes to a TV or something. I don't know. Sorry. Sorry, I was just busy doing something. So, yep, here's the phone itself. Here's all the parts. Yep, it's a closer look at the phone. Yep, so here's the battery and everything. So, yep, that's the battery of the iPhone 5. And that's the inside of the screen. So, yep, that phone does not work at all. Yeah, so, yeah. I'll put everything back on. Wait. I'll put the inside of the screen back on. It doesn't work. Yes, it worked. Now I'm going to put the screen again. No, I'm going to put the screen now. Wait a few seconds. I'll be done soon. Yep, so now we're done. Let's go and put the case on. Wait for a few seconds. I'm going to be done putting on the case. Let's put it on. Yeah. So now we're done with this. Yep. Here, I'll show you. Here's the back for the iPhone. Yep. You can see me recording. So that's good. Whoa, it's me! I can see myself. Yeah, so that doesn't turn on at all. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace out. And leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe. I'll try to upload more. It might be a bit difficult. I don't want anyone to tell me off, so that's good. Bye.